started off as a vision that me and Chris had one night, having a few beers in the Rugby Village Hall, and we were both sort of listening to some music. It was a folk concert, and we said to each other, look at this lovely setting, why don't we start a festival here? So Chris said, I've had this idea for ages, and we thought, why don't we do it? So that's what we've done. We called it Between the Trees, and it's all about folk music, or contemporary folk music, and a link to nature.
With access to 60 lenders, we can pretty much guarantee an unlimited source of funding to our business customers. Whatever it is they need, whatever vehicle, plant machinery, asset they require, we've got a solution for them. There are a lot of brokers out there that have maybe a panel of 12 to 15 lenders. We've got access to 60, so this gives us a real advantage for our clients.
This is our Cleft and Palate Awareness Week in the UK. It's where we just try and get out a little bit and just basically do what it says on the tin and raise a bit of awareness. It's getting people to know what it is and what we're about.